Hey there, I'm Anna, and you're watching the For Real channel. We've got some tech wisdom coming your way today, so buckle up. Ever been stuck in a situation where you're trying to download a new app, but all you get is the irritating waiting message and nothing else happens? Let's dive in and figure out why this happens and how to fix it. So, you're trying to download a new app, right? It should be a quick and easy process. But sometimes you're left staring at your device, and all you see is a stuck app that's desperately waiting to be downloaded. More often than not, this waiting game is a result of a dodgy internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can be super annoying, but hey, we've got a fix. Before we jump into it, if you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, why not hit that like button? Subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below. It helps us create more savvy content like this. First up, check that you've got a solid internet connection. And if that's a bit rocky, let's try turning off and on your Wi-Fi and doing the same with your Wi-Fi router. Still no luck? You could reset your network settings. Remember, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared to enter them again. If the waiting app is still hanging around, let's try to remove it and reinstall it. If it's being stubborn and won't leave your screen, go into your settings, find the app, and try to delete it from there. Once you've successfully removed the waiting app, head over to the App Store and download it again. Fingers crossed it gets installed this time. Still no app in sight? Alright, let's try turning off your device and turning it back on again. Once your device reboots, the waiting app should hopefully install normally. If all else fails, you can try your luck with iTunes. Connect your device to a computer, open iTunes, find your stuck app, and click Remove. Then hit the Apply button. Once the sync is complete, you can reinstall the app. So there you have it. A few handy steps to get your apps off the waiting list and onto your device. Remember, tech problems aren't as scary as they seem. They're just puzzles waiting to be solved. Stay curious and keep experimenting. This is Anna from For Real. See you in the next video.